Hi, good evening, friends. We are all here again to share some interesting stories of our young minds. And this is a very special session that I'm going to take today. And it's very special because it's about our graduates, people whom we believe in. They are the ones who are inspiring the younger ones. They are the ones who are looking at opportunities. They are the ones who are going to be creating opportunities. And they are the ones who are in the most challenging times because the COVID has completely gotten them to rethink about their plans. They had some great plans that they had, framed in the last 4 years while they were studying with us, whether it was their undergraduate course or their master's course. But now with COVID, I think it's a time where it's been completely disruptive and it has forced everybody to think in a fresh new way. So this session is called as Campus to Company. So I was just sitting and it just occurred in my mind. People have been talking about campus to corporate, and somehow I just felt, corporate for designers is very limited in its perspective. And when we talk about our design world, we have our communities, we have our craftspeople, we have our artisans, we have our niche boutique initiatives, we have the corporates definitely. We have the large format companies which are there. We have a lot of opportunities that designers can create beyond just the corporate. So a company is like, you can create a not-for-profit company, you can create your own profit company. You can be in the company of people where you can learn and share, right? You can join somebody else's company or you can create your own. So it's a whole big opportunity the moment we talk about the word company. And from the campus to the company is an initiative that we have brought for our graduates. These could be also students who are in their last year of study. These are also students who just completed their studies. So every Friday 6 p.m. I am going to be mentoring a couple of students who are looking at ideas, who have ideas that they have already started working on, or they want to build on them and they would need support, maybe to understand how they would manage their finances or how to reach to the marketplace, how to, also look at their personality, how to be impressive in front of an employer who's looking at a person who can articulate his or her ideas well. So it's very important to be a little prepared. While I think 4 years of education prepares them completely for the industry, but one does need the finer tips again and again to make sure that they are able to cope up with the new thought process and the ideas. So we will be bringing them master mentors who will help them shape up their plans, their ideas, and get them to the marketplace. We will be also looking at that they can reach out to other forums like the Startup Oasis or the Greater 50 initiative of FICCI. These are the initiatives where more they can go ahead and take long-term mentoring initiatives and programs to keep sharpening their business model and get deeper understanding of what they're going to be getting into. So this is will be now taking on a couple of people here. A couple of our students would be in live chat with me right now. It's been a couple of months that I've not been able to talk to them, but it will be interesting to have a chat with them today. So I'm looking at Sahil, who's going to be sending me a request, and we'll take on with Sahil first. So Sahil has completed his master's with us in fashion, and he's a very keen learner, though his undergraduate studies were not in design, but he's got a natural acumen for design. So Sahil, I can see you here. You're there with me. So let's go live with Sahil. Hi, Sahil.
How are you?
I'm good. You can see me nice and bright and blue and
Yes,
white.
finally, now I believe that, I'm missing my college. I'm missing my canteen area, sitting and working there for hours and missing
Okay.
my lectures and everything. So, I used to think कि जल्दी से college खत्म हो and I can go back to the industry and work. But now sitting at home and actually seeing the industry working, now I realize, oh my God, college was the best time that I can ever think of.
Oh, that's so kind of you to say that, and you're so right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When we don't have certain things, we actually miss them. I'm missing your
True.
sewing machine by your side. So where's your sewing
Yeah, yeah,
machine?
yeah. So it's in my mom and dad bedroom. So now my mom is teaching me some new skills to the sewing machine also because she used to sew her clothes and everything. So I'm taking a few trainings from her and trying to make something new out of it.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
Nice, Sahil. So I'm very thrilled, because I'm coming to the campus daily and I see the campus, after the fashion colloquium. You remember we've just refurnished the whole place and all
Yes.
the labs, they look beautiful. But, without you guys, it's also hollow and empty. So it quite haunts, but, yeah, yeah. But it's good that the
When
digital
someone
media has allowed us to chat and speak to each other even though we are long distance. Yes, Sahil.
True, but when I got to know that Risu is having our exam at the end of this month, so I was very happy. I will be coming back to Jaipur. I will be seeing my friends, all the teachers, and my college again. So maybe it will be just for 2 or 3 days, but I am still happy. That's the high point of my life right now.
Right, right. So what's going
Yes, ma'am.
on?
I am doing few courses. I'm doing an internship with ICA right now, and I've been working with them on prints development and everything. With that, when you were talking right now on the live chat also, I had few questions in my head. Now we are applying as we will be completing our masters and graduations. We will be applying to the industry. So what do you think are those 5 essential skills that every designer should hold, especially after what have happened in this country, in the society, like COVID happened to us? So what do you think those 5 skills are really important for us to present in the industry as a
I
designer?
thought I'm going to ask you, you asking me. Okay, that's interesting. So tell me something, because you are the one who's going through this challenge, right? And you have gone through your education, you have prepared yourself for being with the industry. What are the 5 things that you worked upon and where you feel is the gap? So then we can talk about that area. So, because you already have a placement with the company, you're doing freelancing. So I definitely have certain views about it, which I'm going to share. But as a youngster, what are the areas that you have developed upon? And then I can touch upon the others.
I think the major thing that comes up in, I think it's the backbone of for every industry and for every person. It's the managerial skills. Whether you're a designer or an engineer or a doctor, till the time you don't have your managerial skills in your hands and you work accordingly towards it, I think that is the one of the most important and the crucial aspect to learn. The second thing comes is you need to be a very good listener because you will be getting a lot of briefs from the industry people, from your clients, and you have to be very particular about what they need and what they demand for, and how you are coming up with your solutions to them. The third thing would be, of course, technical knowledge. But when I coming from non-fashion background and doing my master's, so of course I don't have a very strong technical background, but still I understand the technical aspect of it and understand the importance of it. Fourth, which I've been understanding within this time period and what is happening around the globe, is to understand what your culture is bringing to you. This is something very, very, very important. Whosoever designer I pick now and who is doing good in their field are those people who have understand their culture, very deeply, and they have rooted their culture into their new brands. So the amalgamation of your culture and your Western ideas and your innovations, that has to be there. And I think fifth will be giving respect. I think that's something which everyone wants. You have to be respectful for your art, for the artisans, for the craftsmen, and for the designer. And it sometimes happens. It's very difficult to get your work done from artisans because sometimes they don't understand your language. You don't understand their language. But when you start giving them respect, you start understanding them more than just their craft and more about their life. Then you understand they have a lot to offer, not just in the terms of design, but in terms of your life lessons also. I think these are
Beautiful.
the 5.
So Sahil, I'm just going to take you, right? So you asked me, so you said you talked about the managerial skills, that's very important. You talked about the technical skills, that it's important to understand the technicalities of the business and your product line. And it's very important that one is a great listener, and you talked about being very culturally rooted. And it's very interesting the way you've really brought the whole thing. And yes, respect for human beings is great that you've really talked about. So, Sahil, you've already developed on these areas, and I'm sure you're going to be a great achiever in the years to come. But I have one thing to say: you've got to have patience, right? Because young people today, they think that as soon as you've done a course, even if it's a master's course and under, you think you're going to become overnight a designer. I am sitting here with a career after 25 years, right? I'm talking to you where I have loads of students. I started with 2 rooms from my residence, right? And sitting on a 2 room setup and then gradually growing and then making it where it is an international level institution, it takes time. Similarly, you as a designer, yes, you can grow overnight, maybe you can follow some other tricks of the trade, but that will not give you the, that will, they may not be rewarding in the long term. What is going to be truly rewarding is the areas that you've talked about. And I'm really happy that you've been so well, articulated what you believe in. And if you can really walk your talk, I think there's nothing that can stop you from there, right? So,
Yes,
but you will
yes.
definitely require a lot of patience and perseverance. So, if you can keep up with that, I'm sure that you're going to create a lot of ripple in the fashion industry. And did you get an opportunity to see the virtual show, the digital show that the FDCI had done?
Yes, yes, I did.
Yeah, I remember you were a
Yeah.
volunteer with them a couple of times. So, what are your views about that?
I think, as time is changing and evolving and technology is playing such a major role in every aspect of our life, when I see, people walking and the models walking with their garments on and the designers coming up, everything stuck back in my mind. That 1 year back, I was working with them, for 7 days and nights, and I know how much time does it take to bring that one single garment on the stage, and how much hard work you need to put in. And I'm really happy that FDCI has always been pushing the young talent to come up and showcase their work, because as a young designer down the line, maybe next in 5 years, I would be looking for someone and some particular place where I can showcase my work also, and people can see it, and people can, understand what I come from and what background I am providing them to. So I
Do
think, yeah,
let me
FDCI.
know. I'll be happy to recommend you and talk to Mr. Sethi in case if it requires, because you have all the skills to be there. And whenever you plan, I'm there to support you, right? So thank you,
Thank you so much.
Sahil, for coming on a chat with me. And so since you're working as an intern right now again, and not as an intern, right? But are you working on a job, or you it's a freelance
It's more
kind?
like a project based thing right now, freelance thing.
So I
Yeah.
mean, that's lucky that you have a job in hand, right? You are
Yeah.
earning money, and it's very important because a lot of people are jobless right now. There's not enough work in the market, And I personally know a lot of designers who are doing everything on their own. They've cut short their people because there's no demand as such right now, which is because again clothing is more into the jewelry space. But you have some work that you're doing right now, which is great and commendable. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Syed, and have a nice
Thank you.
evening. And stay in touch,
Have a
yeah?
nice
And if
evening.
you're coming to
Yes, ma'am.
Jaipur, do
Sure.
visit the campus. I'll be happy to because I'm here all the time.
Okay. Sure, ma'am.
Uh,
Sure. Bye bye. See ya.
so, bye. Okay, so the Dazzle is very happy for you. And so we're going to take a couple of more people here. So I'll have one of our students from the jewelry department. She was keen on talking to me. Is it Samya? Samya, are you interested in having a chat with me? I was told. So, Samya, you can send me your request. Right. So, I can't see more requests here right now. And meanwhile, so you could see how Sahil very well articulated what is truly required for a young designer now, right? But I strongly feel patience, perseverance, and the resilience is very important because not getting stuck to what's going on, what's happening, kya ho raha hai, all this can be also created as an opportunity and a time for learning, development, for looking at new avenues. I know we all were looking out for some kind of disruptive ideas. I think the biggest disruption has happened with us. And I think now it's the time for us to innovate. Innovate because the time are only going to be for new innovative ideas. So if you are a creator, you are a creative person, and you are innovative, go ahead. Don't be fearful. Just take the opportunity and just go and experiment with your ideas. And because there is no precedence now anymore, so you don't need to be fearful that your idea will fail or pass or it may get recognition or not. Just do it. And doing it only can bring some kind of value and some experience. And and that's what I would just recommend all young people who are looking at moving from a campus to a company kind of thing. Yeah. So okay, I have one more person who's here with me. Okay, Samya. Hi,
Hi Max,
Samya.
how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm in the campus today, this
Oh,
evening.
that's great.
So thought you'll get a feel of the campus, so it's gonna be nice.
Yes, I really miss the campus. You get so creative in that environment, and I really miss that at home.
Okay.
That whole
I'm so
vibe that
glad that
the
you're saying
campus
that you're
has.
missing us. Huh?
Yes, a lot, a lot. The
I can
campus
see
has
through
that
your
vibe of
expressions.
creativity that our home doesn't
Mhm.
at all.
So, I would recommend that, you guys make your home your creative space. You know what? I
Yes,
used
we
to,
can do that.
love seeing my wardrobe every day in the morning while I used to get dressed up for the campus. Now, since most of the time we're working from home, I've started enjoying cooking because cooking is all also about colors, colors,
Yes.
forms, textures. So, I started enjoying that now, looking
Even
at,
I have started experimenting with cooking these days.
yeah, yeah. So tell me, Soumya, how are you going ahead? What's going on? What are you
Yes.
planning?
Currently, I with like 2 3 companies, and I'm also working with clients for their customized jewelry, so I'm getting really good experience in fine jewelry these days. I'm not working full time anywhere for now, but I am really learning actually what we call industry thing. I'm doing that, so just loving the experience, and I am also thinking of starting something of my own. So I wanted to discuss it with you, as I don't want to start my business. I am from jewelry, but I'm not looking to start my business in metal. Jewelry, but not metal. So
Hmm.
I wanted to discuss with you: will the industry accept it or it won't? Because there is always a risk in business, but when you think of starting something which is not yet there and you want to experiment, you are a little scared that if the client is going to accept it or not. I am thinking of macrame jewelry. You remember the project we did at Coloquia? You remember that, right? So I was thinking of that jewelry, and I wanted to really, talk to you about it, because you are a major part of the industry and you know what's going on, what people will expect. So I want to take
Okay.
your views upon that.
Did you see me on the Facebook Live yesterday during the masterclass?
I was with a client yesterday,
Okay,
so I
just
missed
go
it.
on to the
Yeah.
Facebook, have a look at the live chat that I had with Smita Mankar. So Smita
Yeah.
has been a former managing director with Fab India, and she's a part of the
Yeah, I am
Creative
aware of
Unity
it. Yeah.
project. And so you just see the neck piece that I'm wearing. Huh? So it is
Hmm.
done out of macrame. She's a
Hmm.
Pradnya Chauhan is an architect based in Mumbai, and she's a
Hmm.
great friend. And I pick up a lot of jewelry from her, and she does beautiful macrame jewelry with glass beads.
Okay.
And yes, she does it. And they look so ornamental, beautiful. Okay, I mean, you can wear it any kind of garments that you want. You can wear it with a sari, you can wear it with a salwar kameez, you can wear it with a dress. So yes, there is a lot of opportunity that you can, but you need to explore more and more, right? So you can use metal beads inside the macrame piece. What is important is to look at the aesthetics around it, right? So
Hmm.
just try and see how you can make it looks like as if it's precious, because I mean, not that everybody wants a precious piece of jewelry, because there's so many craftsmen who are doing different kind of crafts. You can just try exploring with different materials, yeah. And this is a time for you to actually explore a lot. while you've explored about macrame, did you ever think that you will be able to do such elaborate headgears that you did for the fashion colloquium? I
No,
mean,
not
you
at
should
all.
share the video, the latest one again that we had last. We've just. Did you see the? Did you get the newsletter coming to you?
With
The latest newsletter, which was sent to you 2-3 days back, just go on at the end of the newsletter, you have a new video. And in this video, you have all that, the fashion show and everything. So have a look at it. And you'll again and again remember, how beautifully you guys never thought and how beautifully it
exactly.
came out, right? So yes, there's a
Yes,
huge
it was.
opportunity to try out alternative materials. And because metal could be it could be costly, and there are a lot of players already into the market, it's a great idea to explore with different materials. Yeah, and while you start doing on your own, you can have a couple of women artisans or women who are nearby in your house. Teach them the
Right.
techniques; they'll also get some work, right? And try doing small exhibitions. Now look at platforms like Etsy, right? Where you can sell one piece. Just try and take some customer feedback, just try and put it on different platforms where they allow not bulk stuff, but even if you have got 5 pieces or 10 pieces, you can sell them, and you will get a feedback from the customer, the price points and everything. So it's very important to have the market intelligence anyway if you're going in terms of expansion, right? And I will be able to help you with the Women Mentors Forum that that I already run in the
Yes,
city.
ma'am.
We've got our amazing master mentors who are from different walks of life. So if you want, I can help you with, you can become a mentee on the forum, and then
Yes,
go
that
with
would be
these
great.
master mentors. And then probably with Startup Oasis or the Greater 50 initiative, I can get you to the next level in terms of mentoring. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. For
So
sure.
stay in
Yeah.
touch with me and we'll take you to the
Yes.
next level, right?
I will. I will. Yes.
Thank you, Soumya. And do you have anything
Okay,
else
ma'am.
that you want?
No, that's it for now. We'll keep connecting regularly. And I hope I would be able to show you some pieces really soon.
Okay. I'll be happy to take one of your pieces, right? And because I always feel it's always nice to wear a student's creation, and
Thank you so much, ma'am. They
that's a
are in the
great talking
process.
point for.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Samya.
much.
All the
Bye.
very best.
Take care.
Where are you? Are you in Jaipur or which some other city?
Delhi. Delhi, ma'am. I'm in
Oh,
Delhi
you
right
are in
now.
Delhi. Even Sahil is in Delhi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
We
both
stay
of
very
you
close
Delhi.
by. Hmm.
So I was a Delhiite. Yeah? So I moved to Jaipur in '95. So now I am a Jaipurite.
A
Okay,
Delhiite
Samya.
is all.
See you there. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so interesting talking with Sahil, a fashion student, and then Samya from a jewelry course. She also did the master's 2-year degree with us, and excited to see that they're all missing the campus, and they're nostalgic about what they've done here, and they're excited because they learned, they had their studies, which was very rewarding. They're happy with what their faculty did with them. They're happy that what they were taught, the exposure that they were given, right from working with the Paris students, doing a joint project with Saxion University on textiles, on creating accessories, home accessories. So these are a couple of opportunities, students keep having around year after year. So I'll have another student who is probably waiting for us, for waiting to get in. Hi Rishabh, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. How are you? I'm
I'm
fine.
good, I'm good. So you were in Mumbai, right? Doing a
Yes, ma'am. I
project.
was in Mumbai for my internship.
When did you come back?
I came back in February,
Okay.
19th of February. So yeah,
Mm,
I was missing my college very much because I was not knowing that some corona pandemic will come. So I would have missed the opportunity of going to Mumbai and wish I could stay in college.
No, guys, you're not meant to stay in college all your life, okay? I know college
Because
life is.
college has given me a lot, a lot. I have learned a lot. My mentors have taught me a lot. They've always helped me in all my tough situations, and even you have guided me well. So I wish to stay more, but
Right, Rahul. So अभी क्या चल रहा है? What do you want? And do you have anything that you want to share with me
yes,
and
ma'am.
with all of us here?
Nowadays, yes, ma'am. Nowadays, I'm just focusing on my freelance work. I've been doing projects for the industry. And my question is like, I started my graphic designing. I did my 4-year course from arts, and I started my interest in photography. So I've been doing photography since when I was in college. So I've been facing problem like due to the corona pandemic, I as a photographer, I'm not able to get so much of profit as I used to earn when I was in college because I have to work at a very low budget for the clients. So how can I overcome that and how can I make my profits?
See, again, I'd like to suggest, as I told Sahil also, see, patience and perseverance is important. This is a
Yes.
year where everybody's saying that, people are losing out, right? They're not having jobs, they don't have opportunities. Even there's a total cash crunch in the market.
Yes,
So
yes.
within that space, if you are able to cover your costs, right? And if it is not going from your pocket and you're still able to make reasonably a good lifestyle and afford things that you need, I think it's okay if you don't make enough right now, but make sure that you do quality work, do quality projects, make sure that
Okay.
your learning doesn't stop here. Don't stop doing because you're not getting enough money, because what is important is you're creating your body of work. That's more important. Your different your body of work, and that is what is going to be paying you in the long run. So make
Yes,
sure
ma'am.
that you're doing different and quality projects. And even if you get less money, do it, because this is the time to invest in yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And agar, if it's just that, I mean, but what you're saying is that you at least have projects, right?
Yes,
That's a
ma'am. I have projects.
It's lucky you just graduated and you have projects in hand, and you such a commendable man. I thumbs up. I mean, people are still struggling and figuring out कि करना क्या है. Sahil is working on an internship. This girl
Yes,
Samya
ma'am.
also has freelance projects. You have job in your, I mean, you also have projects in your hand. That's so amazing. So I think it's continue to do this, because you're learning whether you're on campus or not on campus. Your learning has to continue, and do some kind of collaborative initiative with somebody. See, Manan is there. Talk to Manan as well, because Manan has been very supportive to you. There are opportunities that he keeps, or there are others who have them. So keep telling about yourself. Be active on the Instagram. Keep sharing your images. Keep your profile maintained. Do these kind of things, and gradually work will start pouring in, because presently people are focusing on photography, digital, all these kind of things.
Yes, ma'am.
Even if we have some kind of opportunity we have at Arts, we'll definitely let you know. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Or batao, all good now. You're in Jaipur, right?
Yes, ma'am. Nowadays I'm in Jaipur. I'm in my free time. I just love cooking. Other than
Right.
photography, I'm focusing on other things also. I started cooking,
Wow. Nice.
and
Nice.
I'm learning every day. I'm trying new photography skills. I'm watching new videos. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
keep on enhancing myself. I'm not just what I learned in college. I'm
Mm-hmm.
because this is a digital art which is changing every day. People are coming with new ideas every day. So I have to cope up with them. I have to check new ideas, what is trending and what is all going in the market. Because no client will take an obsolete thing from an old photographer. They just want a new things. They want to, what is the latest thing, even with the quality work. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
focusing on that. I'm trying to learn that because I have to compete other photographers also because I'm not the one in the market. So I have to prove
Right.
myself the better one as compared to others.
Are you
Even if I'm
clicking the
charging less.
pictures of the food that you're cooking every day, or unki pictures lete
No,
ho?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Leo na, because you don't know, tomorrow you might get pictures to click for food, because people definitely need a lot of
Definitely,
online
ma'am.
promotion for their food. Hmm?
I will start clicking pictures of the food. But I'm
Yes.
focusing myself on the fashion and products.
So please don't consider food out of fashion, okay? So food
No,
will
ma'am.
always
Food is
remain
not out of
fashion.
fashion.
Yeah, so food will always remain in fashion, and keep it in your
Yes,
fashion
ma'am.
list, right? So I'd love to
Yes,
see
ma'am.
a couple of your pictures. Do share them with us, so we will also promote
Sure,
you on
ma'am.
our Instagram. And because
Sure,
we
ma'am.
are covering the profiles of our students in the Campus to Company initiative, we will also be looking at our students who and their work that we're going to be promoting. So keep sending it to us, so that we'll make sure that through us, if you get some assignments coming.
Definitely, ma'am. I
Yeah.
will keep sending my work.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
And it
much.
was
Have
so
a
nice
good.
talking to you.
Lovely. You
Thank you,
matured,
ma'am.
huh, in these last 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye,
Right.
ma'am.
So now we're waiting for somebody else. I'm going to see an request if it's there. I'm hoping to see uh, another student from interior design who I was told is going to join. So if she can send me a request, I'll be happy to take her request. And there is somebody else because it's anybody from arch who wants to just maybe in between want to come in till somebody joins in. I'll be happy to take them also on, though the initiative is all about campus to company. If they're looking at any kind of insights with respect to what the industry needs, how employers are looking at, what kind of employability skills would be relevant now, what kind of attitudes are important. So I'll be happy to share. I strongly feel while I was talking about being resilient, it's very important to be in self-discipline. Don't lose out on your discipline aspect because nobody's watching on you right now. And you need to make sure that you wake up on time, you're sleeping on time, you're giving enough time to your health, your exercise, your fitness, and even to your food timing, right? And just make sure that if you can keep up with that, when you go back to work, you're not going to lose out. Otherwise, I'm telling you, it's going to be very difficult to change your schedule because I see a lot of young people when they are in online classes, they don't pour in, they're half sleepy, they just step in, they've not had a shower, or they're not, you know, they're completely phased out, or they have slept, they've been on Netflix all night. So these are a couple of challenges for young people. So I know for some days it's good, but in the long run, it's not going to be great. So if you are looking at keeping up your pace to making to a company, make sure that you are in self-discipline with respect to your timings, with respect to the work that you're coming up with. This is an opportunity to learn, while learning on campus was a different a whole new experience that we all need to cherish now, because this is going to be the new normal, and whether we like it or not, us will gradually become a part of this way of life. And until then, what I have to say is, anybody who has questions, I'm happy to take. Please put it on the chat box. I'll take those questions as well. Methili says, thank you, ma'am. It's really helpful. Any questions, Methili, or anybody else? I did get somebody. Along with Sahil, I was expecting one of her another classmate who wanted to have a chat with me, but she's not around. Okay, Rajesh Kumar says hello. So there are no more questions for me, and that's everybody's joined in. Okay. But okay, whether creating one, working for one, or just being in the company of the right people, that's what Manan has to say. So, okay, good evening. Divya says, Sohini says, okay. Will I be expecting Sneha to join in? Okay, Sneha, I've go live with Sneha Arora. Hi, Sneha.
Hi, ma'am. Hello. I've been trying to connect.
Oh, but I saw you. I
Issue.
saw your diary also, but then I
Oh.
didn't see you.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. See, all fresh, white.
Yeah,
I'm right there to talk
I
to
love
you.
the backdrop. I love the paintings on those ceramic plates.
They've been there for years now. You guys are quite familiar to it, huh?
Yeah. And I've always loved them. They're too pretty.
Thank you, Sneha. How
How
are
are
you,
you?
my dear? How are
I'm
things
good.
going
I'm
on?
good. I'm very good. I've been working. I mean, since 3, 4 months, internship is about to get over, and then it's gonna turn into a job soon.
Whom are you interning with?
I am interning with Siddhant Agrawal right
Siddhant.
now. Siddhant Agrawal.
Oh, right, right. In fact, I remember I was the one who sent his
Yeah, yeah.
information to you guys. Ah, Veena Agarwal's. Right. So his work is good and I like it. Yeah,
His
he was
work
at
is
the
amazing. Like, I
Lucknow
love
Fashion
the
Week. He was there.
aesthetics. Yeah.
Mhm.
His aesthetics are really detailed, and plus he like really puts in a lot of effort and heart into it.
I'm
And I'm
glad
learning
you're
a lot.
working with him. Yeah,
Yeah.
because his mother keeps sharing his work with me. So I
Yeah.
could see his
She
work.
told me you guys know each other. She told me.
Hmm. No, no,
Yeah.
she only wanted an intern, so I had posted it in our group, and
Uh-huh.
that's how probably.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but the
Huh.
work is amazing, and I've literally learned a lot there. It's
Mm.
not just designing that I've learned. I've learned marketing. I've learned digital marketing. I've been doing a lot of research, not just for designing for him, but like general stuff, maybe just stockist, idea, inspiration, everything. So it's good. And we were gonna start working on the new collection soon. So yeah, it's going nice.
So tell me if you have something as a query that you want to start
Yeah.
your own. What do you have in mind? So I would be more than happy to share my.
Ma'am, yeah, so we all like right now know how the market is going, how the whole what is actually selling, even if the collections are coming up, be it couture or be it anything. But my question to you is regarding like knowing your observation and your knowledge about this whole industry, which is vast. I mean, I really want to understand how do you see the coming times for fashion students like us who are just starting and successful designers as well in terms of design aesthetics, and what do you really feel in the end, like the whole wild change in the demand of the customer?
See, आपने सुना है रोटी कपड़ा और मकान.
जी
Hmm?
मैम.
These are bare minimum necessities. Now, they from
I agree.
there से हम abundance में चले गए. Even in food, if you look at the kind of the restaurants, the food, right from weddings to everything, we were going overboard, right?
Yeah,
Similarly, with the clothing industry, we went overboard, right?
I agree. Yeah.
Right. So मकान में भी आप देख लो, people the lavish homes and things. So we're so now conditioned and used to buying so much and eating so much and that.
Yeah.
Even if we cut on it because of the COVID thing, कितना काट लेंगे हम? We are still fond of it because we are so conditioned to it, right?
I
So it's
agree.
a phase, but we will all spring back to buying and getting into back to normal the way we were like. But what
Yeah.
is going to be different now is that people are going to be looking at responsible fashion. You remember you were a part of the fashion colloquium and we did the
Yes. Yeah.
responsible fashion
Yeah. We did
thing,
everything
and
on
we had
Khan.
the Jaipur Fashion Manifesto, which was agreed upon by 15 to 20 universities and colleges from across the globe as a
Yes.
part of the fashion colloquium, what we did. But why are we talking about responsible fashion? Because everybody is looking at that unique identity for themselves, right? There was a time when the brand was one's identity. Today, it's not the brand that's the identity. It is the
Yeah.
quality, the finesse, and the craftsmanship. And people want to know who made their clothes,
Yeah. True. I
right?
agree.
If that is going to become an identity, can you imagine many more people are going to get an opportunity now? Because पहले ब्रांडेड में सब लोग एक जैसे ही कपड़े खरीद लेते थे. People, if you
जी.
had to go to Zara or you went to H&M, everybody would buy the same stuff, right? In all the different
True.
sizes. But now it's not going to be that way. You might buy your essentials, kind of maybe if you have your leggings or this thing or your top. If you want to buy the classics, you might just go and pick up from there. But if you want something rare and nice, you really want something that's handpicked, that's unique, that's handcrafted, that's specialized, that has that very special feel to it, right? And that's
I
why
agree.
more and more young people will get the opportunity to come to the marketplace.
Yeah. As I'm like seeing right now how the whole supply through the brands are changing to loungewear. I mean, the whole collection from couture to ready to wear, it's gone to loungewear. And
Yeah.
people are like selling that like hotcakes. Yeah, I
And if
agree
you
on
look at
that.
loungewear has also become very exclusive. I mean, like it's
Fashion.
really become very special, right? There might be
Yeah.
ornamentation over it, some
Yeah.
surface embellishments and things. It's no more the drab ones, you just add a print or something of that kind, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, looking at that, I mean, one thing more would happen is that all young people are going to be moving into their home spaces, right? So they will be looking at local craft and local communities that will be working around them, and they would be looking at their hands and their resources who would be there in their vicinity, right? So it will give more and more employment generation within communities, in smaller cities, smaller towns, and in more closed networks. So I see
Yeah.
more and more opportunities growing. People who have leveraged this time in terms of exploring opportunities around them will be have benefit, because sustainability simply means that you have to reduce cost at every point. You have to reduce the cost. You have to look at it from a very circular aspect, right?
Right.
So if you're going to if you're going to think in that manner, the whole working is going to change, and more people are going to get deployed.
Hmm. I agree.
Can you find some connections? Yeah.
Yeah, I can. And when you just said right now about exploring, even, I mean, I was there all the time in the live session, like you told other students also, that it's very important for us to explore like every aspect of what we do. So how I was thinking to maybe explore the idea of fashion communication, maybe, I don't know, textiles, natural dyeing. So it's really good, like what you said about that. I mean, it's a great guidance that you're giving us right now on that.
That's so kind of you to say so beautifully. But what I'm saying is, again, maybe if you need further support, if you need further guidance, if you need mentoring there.
Yeah,
In fact, Siddhant's sister-in-law was also getting mentored, Anjuri. She had gotten
अच्छा,
mentored with the Women Mentors Forum. So if you are also looking at developing your business or looking at some kind of product development you want to get into, you want to explore, and you want to maybe bring yourself to the marketplace, I'll be happy to help you there as well.
I surely will, ma'am, one day. But
Yeah.
right now, I feel I need more experience in the whole, like I need to explore more of the
Yes, yes.
aspect,
Even
what I
I
want.
feel, one should at least work for 2 to 3 years for somebody
Yeah,
before you step into your own venture,
yeah,
because then you've understood the paths to the business well, and you can do small little bit of stuff. I remember when I was a young girl, I used to make for friends and family, and they used to ask me, and then that's how I started developing the
wow,
action for it. So
that's
it does happen that you can take small orders, keep doing small things. So that will put
mm-hmm.
you into the practice of it, but don't get into a big way till you've got ample experience and you've worked out it well. Yeah, and that would be good. Yeah. So thank you, and wish
Thank
you all
you,
the very
ma'am.
best. You are in Jaipur.
Thank
You
you.
can come and
Yeah,
see us. If you want to come and use the campus facility. I mean, not that we allow students right now, but if you do want to come for a day or do some kind of sampling or something, you can always come to the campus and do because the labs are all
sure,
lying
ma'am.
vacant. You can
We are
always do it.
quite excited to visit the campus right now. Like,
So we've got
we
all
have,
the new digital plotters and everything which are lying all idle. So if you want to may have some digital pattern making and things kind of facilities that even Siddhant is looking at, we can enable
hmm,
that because we all have the technicians and the facilities are all available here.
cool.
Yeah.
I'll
Okay.
surely let him know too. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Thank you so much
Thank
for.
you.
Hmm. So every Friday we're going to have this session. So guys, please be there and tell your friends, whosoever wants to come on a chat. If you want us to promote you, we'll be happy to promote you on our Insta spaces and our other spaces.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. I'm still waiting the student from the interior program. Thank you, Mithili, for joining Arch College, and you're enjoying. I'm happy to know that. So we missed out the person, a student from the interior program. Megha, can you just let me know his name? So if I can then check out, or then for the day, we'll just make an exit. We've had a nice session, and enjoy the rest of the evening and your weekend. And we'll meet next Friday again at the same time with a couple of more young people from Arch who've just graduated or are giving the examinations due to the delayed examinations with the universities, but have found their feet in the marketplace. They're exploring, they're learning more, and I really congratulate all of you and all of them to be successful in their careers. And the Campus to Company initiative is to make sure that we bring some amazing students, and we will ensure that every student comes on this platform to engage with you. Yeah. See you. Have a nice evening.